everyone, it's Sia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious chocolate vegan cupcakes. These cupcakes are so yummy and delicious and I really recommend you guys to try it. So without further ado, let's get into this recipe. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you will end up making these vegan chocolate cupcakes. And if you do end up making them and you like them, please make sure to hit that like button so that I can see your feedback. So I'll see you soon. Bye!